Hi everyone! Today, I'm drawing the Toy Story characters. Let's draw and color together. Let's begin by drawing Forky. Forky is a funny little spork who's learning what it means to be a toy. It's time to color. Pinky, bring on the color. Next, let's draw Mr. Potato Head. I like to draw and color the Toy Story characters. Please try drawing with me. Who is your favorite character from the Toy Story? Time to add some color. Pinky, throw some color. I'm drawing Mrs. Potato Head here. Mr. and Mrs. Potato Head are a funny pair who can change their faces and parts whenever they want. What silly faces can you make? It's time to color. Pinky, throw some color. Lastly, let's draw Hamm. Have you seen the Toy Story movie? I love it! Time to add some color. Pinky, bring on the color. Each one of them looks wonderful. And there you have it. I hope you have fun today. Thanks for watching.